Meron ka bang employee na naglo-loan sa Pag-ibig Fund? Malapit na ba ang due date ng multi-purpose loan? Alam mo ba kung paano mag-update ng employer record for multi-purpose loan? Alam mo ba paano mag-generate ng multi-purpose loan payment instruction form? Kung hindi, panoorin mo to. Hello guys, for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-update ng employer record at paano mag-add remittance ng multi-purpose loan sa electronic submission of remittance schedule. Ayan guys, i-input lang natin yung username at saka password. Then click natin login. So ngayon, nandito na tayo sa dashboard ng employee. Click lang natin management employee. Tapos hanapin lang natin yung employee na may multi-purpose loan. Click lang natin. Tapos pinutin natin yung update employee record. So yan na guys, lumabas na yung information. So click natin add remittance. Tapos payment type, pili natin multi-purpose loan. Tapos lalabas na yung information ng loan, yung date at saka amount. Tapos click natin add. So ayan na guys, na-add na siya. Click lang natin save changes. Ayan. Confirmation. Click lang natin yes. Click natin okay. Okay lang guys. So ayun na guys, na add na siya sa remittance ng employer. So, paano mag-generate ng payment instruction form? Click payment instruction, click multipurpose loan, tapos yung date. Okay, tapos continue. So, ayun. Tapos, click submit payment instruction. Yes lang natin, guys. Processing pa. Wait lang natin, guys. So, ayan. Download lang natin yung payment instruction. Medyo loading lang. So, ayan guys, ito yung itsura ng payment instruction form. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa saan pwedeng magbayad. Pwede kang magbayad sa Bayad Center or GCash. Click lang natin yung government, tapos Pag-ibig, employer, ESRS. Tapos lalagay natin yung payment instruction number or PIN dito sa PIN. Tapos lagay natin yung region, email address, tapos amount kung magkano yung ibabayad natin na multi-purpose loan. So that's it guys. Ganun lang kadali mag-update ng record of the employee, mag-add ng remittance tulad ng multi-purpose loan at MP2 saving.